Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to upload image in customer registration page, and one of the additional field that I've added, that is Skype account, right? So you can get the Skype account, Gmail, Facebook, anything you want, collect the information from the user. You need to just add the attribute, right? So let me give you the example how it looks. So I'm going to test account, create an account over here. Test account email, you can post to test@gmail.com, and here we can set the password which will not applicable, so make it a strong password over here. Skype account logo, you can upload anything, so I'm uploading the logo. Import export dp, right? Create an account, right? Go to the attribute, go to the back, which user we have, this test account, edit this, and you can easily get this image directly into this one, and you can also change it by uploading the image over here. So you can, if I'm going to add a new image like this, save this, and if you go to the customer, you can also upload this image from their customer account information. You can see the image is changed. You can change it from the front end also and the back end also, right? So this is the process that we have created. So let's start it, how we have done it. Okay, so first of all, let me go to my code, app code. This is Paxol. This is customer attribute. Setup. In the setup, we are creating a field which name is custom logo, right? This installs data.php, right? After that, in etc, that is a module configuration. Block. In the block customer account, what we have done, we have returning the URL, right? After uploading the URL, just we have returning the URL, okay, by the models, right? So this is basically for uploading and getting the image, okay. After that, we have view front end, where we have to show that field. So the browse button will come on the register page how that will tell by the layout. So we have a customer account create layout where we have calling the html file. So here I'm calling the html file, right? After it loads, then we will upload the image directly to the database, and the field that is created, it will save into that place, right? So the template file we have already created. If we go to the front end, templates, customer form, we have the additional field registrar, and here we are uploading the custom image, right? So this is how we can upload the custom image in Magento 2, or you can say Gravatar or Avatar or a profile photo in Magento 2 very easily. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.